Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I'm always on the lookout for snacks that are a healthier option because I get kind of hangry. So I like to keep all kinds of little snacks around. And this is a really delicious little option. This is from CHOMPS. This is the Chomplings, which is just adorable because look at how small these little meat sticks are. They are just a couple of bites, but they really satisfy when you need something with a little bit of protein, you want something a little bit salty. This will do the trick. So this is a 5 gram of protein, 30 calorie little meat stick. It has 0 sugar and it is also gluten-free and Whole30 approved. So this is great for people who may have some dietary restrictions. You can check them out and see if they work for you. I just think the flavor is delicious. This is the turkey and it tastes awesome. It's got a little bit of spice to it. It's a little bit smoky and of course a little bit salty. So it's the perfect little bite. It just takes a couple of bites and then it's gone, but it definitely satisfies that little snack attack craving. So I love to keep these on hand. I think they're really delicious and a little healthier option, and I would definitely recommend them. And that's my point of view.